Hi, welcome to my Hope channel for Holistic Life from Hope Seva Trust. Today I am here with a very special topic as the whole world is in a battle against coronavirus. In this situation, the dairy farmers are also suffering. Most of the countries there is lockdown and some of the milk plants are not receiving milk or giving low price. This is what I came to know from one of my good student who is a very good dairy extension specialist and having very successful YouTube channel. So he said, sir, what could be the solution? So here is the plan for processing the milk at the farm level or at home level. So all the points here given in a very brief points, so any educated farmer can follow them. Here is the few tips how to handle the milk in crisis time and how to process it for different milk and milk products. Here is the list of products I am going to discuss under three categories. Though these are Indian milk products, this can be processed in other countries because situations may be same in other underdeveloped or developing countries also. So first type of products are curd, which can be consumed directly or it can be converted to lassi, buttermilk or ghee. So some of these will be discussed again. This is for yogurt, which is a special kind of curd where normally a special culture is used, but we can do it with normal culture also. And normally a higher temperature is used, but it can be done in 35 to 40 degree also. Normally here the sugar is added, which is not added in ordinary curd. So here is the steps given briefly. Any educated farmer nowadays, all are educated, they can see the steps and prepare this curd in home itself or in the farm itself. This is another fermented product, that is Misti Dohi. It is a delicacy in eastern part of India. Here the milk is boiled for more time and evaporated and added with jaggery or sugar. There is caramelization and having special taste. This is the steps for making Misti Dohi. In case of any doubt, anybody can contact me in my phone and mobile number. This is channa, that is the coagulated milk with acid. This is in eastern part directly consumed, whereas this is the base for making other things like paneer and rasagolla. This is the photograph for coagulam, which should be filtered to get the channa. This paneer, actually the coagulam channa can be pressed and made into hard pieces, which is used in culinary for different purposes. Nowadays many people may not be getting proper supply, so this can be easily made available to the neighborhood from the dairy farmers. This is the steps for making rasagolla, which is very popular all over India and especially in eastern India. Here the channa is little bit kneaded with addition of some binders, then made into balls and cooked in sugar syrup. Very easy to prepare. This is khova. This is a evaporated product. This can be simply boiled in a vessel. Only thing, we should stir it at the bottom, it should not stick. And finally when it is dry, a lump will be available, that is called khova, which is the best material for many sweets like peda, sandesh, barfi. So those who are little bit expert, they can add sugar and work upon it, and then it can be made into barfi or sandesh. This is for ghee. This part only is suitable here, the other part is for dairy plants. So this is very simple step. Either we can make curd and from that we can make ghee, or we can have a gravity separation, that is from the top we can take the cream and use it for making the ghee. This is preparation of steps, preparation for the ghee. So briefly I have tried to cover some of the milk products which can be made in home itself. So I feel the dairy farmers can process their milk in home or in the dairy farm, and they can supply it to the neighborhood, and it will be a very good return. And these similar things can be used in any other future crisis. Hope this will be useful. I request everybody to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for listening.